Welcome back to BM-LYF. Today I'm carrying on with the 318 CI convertible. So the problem that I'm getting just now, as you can see from the video, is there's no start. The car just will not start. It drove to where I brought it to, but it won't turn on again. So I've got to jump into the back and get the fuel pumps out to see what's going on. Now, prior to this, I have gone and sourced some used parts, but they were proven working. So I know that these pumps definitely work, and I suspect that it's actually the sender that's failing because there's a lot of fuel in that side, and there's hardly any fuel in the pump side. So anyway, here's a video of me just removing absolutely everything. As you can see here, I'm pulling out the sucking jet pump just to inspect it, because I believe that it's not actually bringing any fuel to the other side. So this is me just checking out all the parts, kicking all back together and seeing what happens. Here is the fuel pump coming out. So in order to do this safely, I have to drain out all the old fuel. It's not particularly bad fuel, but I just don't want it to be in the way when I'm trying to change all the pumps and stuff like that. It's just not ideal, there being an entire full tank of fuel. At this point, I had already put the new sender and a new fuel pump in. Fortunately, didn't get to record that bit, but you know, you can take my word for it. It definitely is in. Alright, I've replaced the fuel filter. As I was underneath the car, it started pissing down with rain. But listen to this! I don't know if you can hear that, but it's buzzing. So what I did was pull out the sucking jet pump and clear it. I had to empty that tank though to do that. So what I did is I put some fuel back in there, and then a little bit of fuel in this side, and then I turned on the engine, and it seems like it's pumped the fuel from that side to that side. I've had the car running now for about 10 minutes and it hasn't cut out, so I think we're good. The heater one, that fault is something to do with this. So this on automatic like this, there's a sensor that reads how polluted the air is. And then you've got this one, read fault codes, driver's mirrors from the pre-facelift E46. Look at this spider. This mirror is from pre-facelift E46, so that's why it don't work. Oh, what's this one? Power window, open circuit, jam protection. Oh yeah, no. Where, you know, where the window drops down automatically. Because I took the battery out, obviously it was daft. So if I clear those ones now, got that. Go back to read fault codes. Yeah, it's just that one's left. That's it. 2 faults on the entire car. Only thing is now, the roof won't go down. It just makes this clicking noise back here. So that's my next task. Okay, so thought I'd just try and get the roof down completely, and it's got all the way to here. Open this up, and then I don't think this is fitting up. So there's something wrong with this bit. So whatever that makes this go, and then the roof goes down, that thing's broken, I think. But how do I get it back down again now? Okay, so came out today and I thought, let me just see if I can do this next procedure that I seen on YouTube last night. I got in the car, turned the ignition on, there's no flashing red lights. So I'm like, okay, let me just try this then. Okay. Is it, yeah? And then you're gonna latch, yeah? Oh, latch. Okay. The thing is, this flap is broken. You see the broken bit there? So I'm gonna see if I can get a new flap. Right then, so I'm trying to clean up this headlight. As you can see, it's pretty nifty. Now you can really see the difference between the clear bit and the worn bit. I've already started on this one. You can't really see the difference. It still needs a polish. Just give it a polish and see how it comes out. Okay, so teacup layer is finished. Got a good few scratches. Quite slip. Got a little bit dusty now because of residue from other bits, but most of the scratches are out. There's still a few swirls. See that? That one there. We've got this guy here. But I mean, still got that dent. I've got a dent fuller coming today, so have a wing. Wing. Now I'm going to do the bonnet. See if you see any swirl marks. You see those swirls. So let's try and get this done. So it's doing the badge. Okay, so struggling a little bit. I'll show you what I've got here. Yeah, that screw there is completely rounded off. I tried to, you know, there we got this happening. So I have to drill it up. Okay, then what we're going to do is grab this guy, T40. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Be careful not to knock it in, break it off inside there. And that is our ABS sensor. Look at the state. No wonder. Alright, so got them out. So this is the old one. And it still says BMW on it, so definitely hasn't been changed before. This one's a new one. There are BMW signs on there, all fresh. Look at that, lovely compared to this. So basically to put it back in is a reverse of what I just done. But yeah, just have a look. So just a quick test drive here to see if the car's all working correctly. Obviously after taking the wheel off, put it back on, changing wheel speed sensors, something could have gone wrong. So just a quick spin around the car park to make sure everything's working correctly. And hey, it is working great. So let's move on to the next thing. So in this part, I'm replacing the seal for the vacuum pump. My thought is that it has some sort of oil leaking out, because sometimes I find oil traces on the floor, and the car doesn't run quite right. So here's me just taking off all the bulkhead and everything, just trying to get to the vacuum pump, which is actually located at the back of the engine. So this is one of those jobs that you have to do without looking. How fun. Okay, so got the vacuum pump off. Our screws are here. There's the lid. Just trying to get some of the crap off of there. That's obviously where the ring sits. There's the ring there, but it's failed. This is the bottom side. So I don't know where it's failed, but it's failed somewhere, and it's letting oil through. So I'm just gonna clean everything up. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully we get no more leaks and start. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Finally got the car fixed now. Fuel pressure is back. We have no lights on the dash and everything is working as it should, including the roof. I should be taking on some more projects soon, so if you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button and press a like, it really helps. Thank you so much and take care.